Waving hand, what's up, fam? Welcome back to Celebrity Insights, where we bring you the real stories, exclusive updates, and behind-the-scenes drama from your favorite stars. Glowing star speech balloon Boston. Closing arguments began Friday in the widely watched murder trial of Karen Redd, a Massachusetts woman accused of killing her Boston police officer boyfriend, John O'Keefe, by allegedly striking him with her SUV and leaving him to die in a snowstorm. The trial, which has gripped the Boston area and sparked national attention, centers on whether Reed intentionally hit O'Keefe with her vehicle during a night of drinking in January 2022, or whether she is being framed in a cover-up involving police officers and local officials. The prosecution's case, a trail of lies. Prosecutors allege that Redd, 44, was intoxicated and angry when she dropped O'Keefe off outside a fellow officer's home in Canton, Massachusetts. According to the state, she struck him with her Lexus SUV, possibly out of rage or recklessness, and left him outside to die in the freezing cold. In their closing argument, prosecutors emphasized a string of incriminating details, including broken vehicle taillight fragments found near O'Keefe's body. A surveillance video timeline they say supports their version. Statements Reed allegedly made afterward, such as, "I hit him." They portrayed Reed as unstable and jealous, and said she lied repeatedly to investigators to avoid responsibility. The defense, a massive cover-up. Reed's legal team, however, has mounted a bold defense, alleging that she is being framed by members of the Canton police and local officials. They argue that O'Keefe was beaten inside the home of fellow officer Brian Albert, then dragged outside to make it appear as if he was hit by a car. Defense attorney Alan Jackson cast doubt on the state's timeline and evidence, noting that many of the people in the house that night had ties to law enforcement. He also claimed police mishandled evidence and intentionally excluded other possible suspects to protect their own. This was a rush to judgment, Jackson told jurors. The real question is, who is being protected? A case that has sparked public outrage. The trial has ignited fierce public debate, with protests, conspiracy theories, and social media speculation swirling around the case. Many in the community have questioned the integrity of the investigation, while others stand firmly behind the police and the prosecution. Legal experts say the trial is unusual not only for the accusations of a police cover-up, but also for the attention it's garnered beyond typical criminal proceedings. What comes next? With the jury now preparing to deliberate, the stakes are incredibly high. If convicted of second-degree murder, Karen Redd could face life in prison. She also faces charges of manslaughter while operating under the influence and leaving the scene of a deadly accident. The jury is expected to begin deliberations early next week.